familiar.
I'll bring that chair out.
One more chair out. Okay.
I was trying to figure it out.
Oh no. Yeah, well, when you see this on YouTube.
Oh, wait, now I'm really going to have to sign up.
I wanted to read 21, 20. So I was like, it's a good thing I just got it over with.
Got right over with.
Oh, let's see.
Okay, all right.
I quit my job a week ago yesterday.
And where you live now. Say
Mary Triolo Yak, and I live in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma.
Yay!
Wow.
Okay, it's your turn, Cindy.
What's your name?
My name is Cindy Lee.
Still.
Still, but it will always stay that way unless
Really
it's,
still?
yeah. And I live in Santa Fe, I think, but going to Hawaii. I'm out of here.
Oh. I can give you pointers. I lived in Maui 3 years.
Did you?
Then my daughter just moved back
Yeah,
3 months ago.
yeah. See, both my daughters are there, so I'm going there. I've been
Which
there
island?
since
Which
the 70s.
island?
The big one.
Oh,
Hawaii?
Hawaii.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I'm out of
good.
here, man. And I'm going to India, and I'm going to Europe, and
Oh my gosh.
it's time to start having
I'm going.
I'm Claire. Claire
Yeah.
Soderberg. Claire Soderberg Leonard.
And tell us where you live.
I live in Parker, Colorado.
Oh, and you're Dr. Leonard.
yes.
Claire Leonard, excuse me.
Oh, yes.
But I'm glad we're all here.
Yes. Okay, now we're coming over here to Terry.
Hi.
Okay, you have to-
Terry Timkovich, Parker, Colorado.
This is Susan's beautiful home.
Yes. Very lovely.
Yes.
Thankful that she had us.
Yes. So now, here we come to
I'm
Mary.
Marilyn Osborne, and I live about 3 blocks from here. I didn't go very far. Yep. 25 years I've been
Marilyn West Osborne.
Yes.
This will be the YouTube that we send out for the invitation. Well, sure, why not? We can make it be anything we want. Okay.
Cindy Hanna. Moved up to Boulder right out of high school and still there.
Well, that's good.
A few things,
That's
but
good.